Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Compass Real Estate up here in Big Bear Lake. Today I'm going to walk you through 567 Highland over in Big Bear Lake area. So come check this cute one out. It has so much to offer. Okay, so we are going to start down here at the street. Very quiet street, not too much traffic coming through here. You got a couple other rentals around in the area. This one is not currently used as a rental, but I can't wait to show this one to you because it has a lot of cool, unique features that a lot of houses up here don't offer. So first off, you've got kind of two driveways. You've got this little parking pad right here, and then you've got the driveway coming up here that you could park a boat or something in the back behind the gate decking. All looks like it was updated somewhat recently, as well as paint job looks pretty decent, as well as the roof. So 2 stories, and let's first start downstairs. So downstairs you enter into a living room right here. Got a fireplace, kitchen, and a dining room right here. Got that knotty pine paneling, which a lot of people like to paint. Still in really good shape. And then you've got 1 bedroom downstairs. Drywall looks like it's all been updated recently, super clean. Vintage wall heater. If it's not broke, don't fix it, because those are awesome. Full bathroom, and a nice upgraded shower, rainfall, and then bedroom number 2 downstairs. And sleep like 4 people in here. And then all the updated windows as well, all around. And then this is neat because you can block this off. And at first you would think, why would I want to block it off? Well, I'm about to show you why you would think about blocking it off. And that is because you have a second unit upstairs. So a second kitchen. And you do have laundry downstairs off of the dining room too, which I forgot to show you. So vaulted knotty pine ceilings. They have this space used as a bedroom. You could also make that, if you want to do a short-term rental, you could make it into a game room. You could also make it into an office if you lived here. You could use it as a 4th bedroom, which is, they have it listed as a 3 bedroom on title. So we've got full bathroom upstairs. And then also this is the true 3rd bedroom, but you have a lot of opportunity with that other 4th bedroom. So you could ideally have a long-term renter upstairs, do the downstairs as a short-term rental. You could do vice versa. Maybe you get 2 long-term renters in here, one on the top floor, one on the bottom floor, and they wouldn't really actually run into each other on the parking situation if one just parked down below. But we're gonna go, let's just go this way to go out back. So this one, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1448 square foot on a just under 6,000 square foot lot. Probably about mile and a half from the village, really close to the lake, about 4 or 5 miles to the ski slopes. Overall, kept up in really good shape. You got nice They're mountain views, but not the ski slope mountain. Right through there. And then back here you have a shed with, it looks like electricals run out here. And it is up on concrete blocks too, so that you can avoid the termites. Fully fenced, so you've got it fenced over this way. And then let's see, nice private treed backyard. Yes, so you are fully fenced if you had any dogs, small children, or anything like that. So this one just came on the market and listed for $549,000. Basically, you're getting like 2 long-term renters, right? You know, upstairs, downstairs. So a lot of great opportunity with this one. Let me know if you have any questions at all. And while I'm here, I'll show you the laundry too. So you do have laundry right here. All right, that's it. Talk to you soon. Bye.